Hello again, it's Maciek again from Caithness Astronomy group, and looks like now clouds are past, so we've got for a second, at least for a minute or two, till next clouds, we've got some clear views. In the meantime, when I was waiting, some snow was snowing on me, so I've got wet keyboard. But anyway, we'll see. So as you can see, now we've got quite clear view of the moon. It's a bit gusty wind here. It's quiet now, but sometime it may start to shake like now because of the wind, and because we are using 2000 millimeters focal length of Caithness Astronomy Group Celestron telescope, so this is quite big magnification. But despite big magnification, you can see a lot of moon. This is because I'm using 4K resolution camera, so it has quite a bit wider field of view than normal planetary camera. And because moon is monochrome anyway, so I switched to monochrome setting, and I can achieve doing that still quite decent frame rate, about 30 frames per second, despite using 4K resolution, which is really good because it will make quite nice pictures, quite high resolution pictures. So maybe I will take few exposures just now, because we've got a bit of clear sky. Okay, so we are now taking 30-second exposure. I was meant to amend this to 1 minute, but I pressed wrong. Yeah, you can see now, even small breeze of wind shows really here. So anyway, we will maybe catch some better stiller frames in a minute. Okay, I think he finished capture. So maybe I will switch to 60 seconds. Okay, we are capturing now 60 seconds, and fingers crossed there will be not much wind gusts. As you can see, it's not that great. Even now you can see it's quite still, but you can see like surface of the moon is like boiling because of the not steady air in the higher atmosphere. So that's downside of high focal length. But upside is that we've got bigger detail on the moon. Okay, I can see I've got some comments from members of the club which are watching trial stream. Downside of this YouTube streams is that there is not real feedback. You can probably comment in the comment sections, but I cannot see this section just right now when streaming. I would need to switch, and that because I'm working on capture of the screen to show you that, then you will see this as well. So that's the downside, unless there is two monitors. For stream, one is just what is streaming, another for comments, but I'm just streaming from laptop, so I don't have that possibility just now. Yeah, we can see now it's quite clear now. I don't want to switch to Jupiter, which is nearby the moon, because it's much smaller target and it would just waste time. So maybe we will just make some small tour of the moon going down, if that's the direction I have to, yeah, wrong direction, I have to mess that up. Okay, so we'll try to go down and maybe try to catch different part of the moon. Yeah, maybe here. Oops, there is slight delay between my input and how the scope reacts. So maybe I'll try to, okay, maybe Just let that stabilize and I will take next snapshot. Okay, so I'm capturing now another frame. Yeah, we've got now a bit of clear sky. Looks like it's clearing up now, so probably will be longer spell of clear sky, probably for the next 10-15 minutes. I'm not sure that I will carry that long because I would probably freeze because I didn't take any seat and I'm kneeling on the snow. Anyway, we will make small tour. Yeah, you can see even a small gust of wind will shake this scope, especially that I've got dew shield, which doubles the length of the telescope. Okie doke. Okay, we've got another picture, so we might probably go to another part of the moon and try something else. Where is my cursor? Oh, it's here. No, wrong again. This is upside down. I need to go up if I don't want down. Want to go down. Yeah, there is a lot of backlash going sideways. Okey-doke, we'll try to frame something quickly. Yeah, it's almost clear. I can see just very thin, very thin clouds, which should be okay for what we are trying to do. Okay, I will now try to take another exposure of 60 seconds. Yeah, you can see it's quite a lot of shake now. Yeah, probably my neighbors are thinking whom I'm speaking to, because there is nobody there. Anyway, it's all for science. Okay, I will wait for exposure to finish and then we'll try to go find another feature, probably down. Yeah, I might mistake. I might just shift pictures every half a frame and then try to make mosaic, but too late now. Okie doke, that's finished. Yeah, neighbor's cat keeping me company here. Oops, too far. Oh, maybe not. That's good frame. We can see some nice craters and also some mountains. Okay, so I will try to catch that. Also, those videos should be useful for Caithness Science Festival, because before we only were showing ships on the fields through the scope. Now we can show how the moon looks like through the scope and other stuff. Yeah, a bit of wind. Yeah, again, Yeah, but at least sky is clear. Maybe I should make this brighter. Probably will take another exposure of the same, just will increase exposure. Yeah, it finished. Yeah, that's probably better. Maybe too bright. Okay, I will say that should be okay. Yeah, probably uh, sound quality is not the best because I'm just recording through the laptop microphone, but I've got somewhere better microphone which can be connected. I think I'm not sure if it will be connected to laptop, but for sure I can connect it to my mobile phone and later sync voice with video. But I will see later how this sounds like. Probably will be good enough. It doesn't need to be TV quality, just as long as it's understandable, should be okay. Yeah, for that magnification, it need to be really still. Anyway, move on to another area of the moon. Oh yeah, no, go back, go back. Yeah, I don't know why it's so laggy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, downside is there is no direct communication during live stream, at least for me, unless we will be using like now WhatsApp or phone or other stuff. But yeah, for public that should be good enough, just to show something and comment on what they are seeing. I'm not commenting too much on what we are watching because I'm not that familiar with the moon features. I just know main craters, few main craters and stuff. But I guess Gordon will have something to say when he will be streaming. When we will be streaming, I will just retreat to be a technician. Okie doke, we can go for another frame. Maybe something higher up. Yeah, probably we should stay closer to Terminator. It's better detail and better contrast. Always wrong direction. Yeah. Yeah, there is a lot of lag here. Quite difficult to frame what I want. Yeah, you can nicely see double peaks in the middle of the crater, which is now in the center. Okay. I think I will catch that the same again. Okie doke. Yeah, I can see just clouds grazing the moon, but staying away just maybe 5 degrees off and passing by. Yeah, you can see it's quite a lot of backlash because now during exposure it's drifted quite a lot. Drifted away. Okay, so looks like I need to finish because my battery is dying. So that will be the end of the trial broadcast. Bye.